Oh yeah, he's totally flatlining.
No, 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 I'm gonna live forever. I'll be made of plastic.
You'll be made of you, Mr. Barton. Which just so happens to be plastic. Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today we will show you how to build Lego Hawkeye. The first thing you're going to need for him is a spiky hairpiece in dark tan. We used the head of Draco Malfoy from the 2002 Quidditch set. Unfortunately, we don't know where the torso came from. Please leave a comment if you know. Anyways, his right hand was skin, but his left hand had a black glove that could fire 3 arrows at a time. His legs are from Zod of the Black Zero Escape set in 2013. Lastly, give him a black bow and arrow. Subscribe to Brick2 Buddies to see even more sweet animations and awesome minifigs.